Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure wildcard certificates for subdomains on VDS step by step clearly. To configure wildcard certificates for subdomains on a VDS, start by accessing your VDS manager. Log into your VDS account using your credentials. Navigate to the Domain Management section. Select the domain for which you want to create a wildcard certificate. Choose the option to add a new SSL certificate. Look for the wildcard option in the certificate type dropdown. Enter an asterisk followed by your domain name, such as star.example.com. Make sure to fill in any additional required fields, such as your organization name and location. Once the information is complete, submit your request for the wildcard certificate. Wait for the certificate authority to process your request. You will receive an email or notification once the certificate is issued. Download the wildcard certificate files from your account. Extract the files to a directory on your VDS. Locate the private key that was generated during the certificate request process. Ensure both the certificate and the private key files are accessible. Step into your server's control panel or command line interface. Upload the certificate and the private key files to the appropriate directory. You may need to configure your web server settings to utilize the new certificate. Edit the server configuration file to include the paths to your certificate and private key. Make sure to specify that the server should use SSL for secure connections. If using Apache, ensure you include the SSL module and load the configuration correctly. If you're using Jinx, adjust the server block to listen on port 443. After editing the configuration, save the changes and exit. Restart your web server to apply the new configuration. Check the status of the server to ensure it's running without errors. Finally, test your wildcard certificate using an SSL checker tool. Verify that all subdomains are covered by the wildcard certificate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.